Hi, welcome back to the garden. Summer's not over yet. We're getting hit with a blast of well over 100-degree temperatures. Make sure your containers are watered. Make sure round 2, round 3 of your seeds are watered. I know we got some babies in the ground. We're going to want to take care of them. And it's so hot, the lens keep fogging up. Especially in this heat, we want to make sure our babies got enough water. They'll be fine as long as we keep them watered. So these are round 2 of our radishes. And our fall peas, you really want to make sure your peas get water in this kind of heat. They don't like to grow in the heat, but they germinate really fast. That's why we planted them. We can keep them going. They're going to produce really well this fall. Of course, round 2 of the beans are doing just terrific. And our little patch of carrots, thriving in this heat. They're just tough to get germinated. Once you do, as long as you keep them watered, wherever you have a container hidden out, make sure it stays watered. Round 3 of a squash back in here. Just all your young stuff, make sure they got plenty of water. We got another squash here, and we got okra. And our amaranth turned out just spectacular. And the black diamond watermelons that we planted, they're growing enough. They're over here in round 3. And I see another watermelon right over there. But we got these squash are doing pretty good. Let's go over here and water where I planted those way over here. And right in here, we've got our cabbages coming up. Doing really well. We also got spinach coming up back here. I think our ladybugs got here just in time to help round 3 of the cucumbers. We still do have a little bit of squash bug damage. Like they've done a number on taking care of the aphids. We got them, they're working away. And as you know, we have the buckets sitting out here so the chlorine and chloramine can vent off. And then the last things that we planted, we got 4 more squash here, a bunch of beets. Has anybody ever said you can't have enough beets? Then we got some rows of lettuce. With any luck, we just have to make it through one more week of this really hot weather. And even the butternut squash, where it runs and roots, what made it through the bugs, already putting on more fruit. You can do this too. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Look at this. Purple beans. Those are nice. So we got some little Charlestons coming on, which is good because in this heat we lost 2 yesterday. Just cracked and exploded. So I need to bring in what we got out here. Well, I'm pretty sure this one's pretty close to done. That just popped off of there. So we're taking that. I don't think this one's yellow. I think this one's a crimson sweet. But it's got sunburn on it that wasn't there yesterday. So we're gonna take that. And there's little bitty Charlestons down in here hiding. That just popped right off. Ugh. Yeah, that's a little bitty one. You can do this too. Now I'm gonna juggle. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about the deep mulch, click that link. If you want to learn about the living soil, click that link. Until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.